Ferret, a versatile word for IELTS success. Did you know that ferrets have been domesticated for over 2,000 years? These playful creatures have lent their name to a versatile word in the English language, which we'll explore in depth today. Word type. Ferret can function as both a noun and a verb in English. Meaning, as a noun, a ferret refers to a small, domesticated mammal of the weasel family, known for its long, slender body and curious nature. As a verb, to ferret means to search persistently, often in a determined or sneaky manner, typically to find something or obtain information. Word history. The word ferret has an intriguing etymology. It comes from the late Latin word furro, meaning thief or little fur. This term evolved into the Old French ferret, which then made its way into Middle English. The connection between the animal and the verb becomes clear when we consider how ferrets were historically used for hunting rabbits, searching and sniffing out their prey in burrows. Antonyms. While ferret as a verb doesn't have direct antonyms, some words that convey opposite actions could include conceal, hide, or suppress. Synonyms. For the verb form, some synonyms include rummage, hunt, search, investigate, and probe. When used as a noun referring to the animal, there aren't many direct synonyms, but related terms might include weasel, polecat, or mustelid. Examples used in sentences. As a noun, the playful ferret darted in and out of its tunnel, entertaining the children with its antics. As a verb, the investigative journalist spent months ferreting out the truth behind the political scandal. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing ferret with similar sounding words like feral or ferouse. Another error is using ferret solely as a noun, overlooking its valuable verb form. Additionally, some learners might misuse the verb, saying ferret in instead of ferret out when describing the act of discovering or uncovering something. Understanding the word ferret in its various forms and contexts can significantly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam. Its versatility as both a noun and a verb, coupled with its rich etymology, makes it a valuable addition to your linguistic toolkit. Remember, mastering nuanced words like ferret can help you express ideas with precision and sophistication, key factors in achieving that coveted band score of 9.0.